We went to a community yard sale. Well, I did at least. I found it on Yard Sale Treasure Map. It said there was only 6 houses. Well, when I got to this neighborhood, it was actually over 60 houses. Hey guys, welcome back. We had a blast this past Saturday, or I'm not sure when you're watching this and when it's getting uploaded, but we went to a community yard sale. Well, I did at least. I found it on Yard Sale Treasure Map. It said there was only 6 houses. Well, when I got to this neighborhood, it was actually over 60 houses. It was just north of Pittsburgh and a golf community, really high-end golf community. I decided on my way there that I was like, I'm not going to film, because there are some athletes and celebrities that do live in the area, and I did not want to invade on their privacy and kind of show where they lived. I'm going to show you what I found, but hey, let's get to showing you some stuff. The first thing we found was this Rhino Expedition RC car. No battery, came with the controller, but look at this price. Free, just needs a battery. So I comped this thing out. It does sell for about, I'd say 15 bucks, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cover off of it. This cover actually sells. I'm going to clean it up, take it off. I could probably get about 10 bucks for 12 bucks just for the cover alone. And also I'm going to take the wheels off because the wheels actually sell too for about 10 bucks. So right there's $20 and I'm into this thing for $0. May even sell the controller too. I don't even think about that. The next thing up, and what wouldn't a golf community yard sale be without some golf clubs? I picked up this Matrix. It's a Titleist 8.5 degree. I guess it's like pretty much a fairway wood, maybe a driver. Picked this up for 5 bucks. It's in really good shape. Then I also picked up this TaylorMade burner for 5 bucks. So 2 golf clubs, 10 bucks, not a bad deal. The next thing, and I was really shocked at first. I was like, man, what is this thing? Yeah, I was thinking it was for something else, but it's actually an aerator for wine. I'm not even sure if it was ever used, but it is Centilino. This thing actually does pretty well, if I remember correctly, but I'll have the right thing up here. I think it was about 25 bucks for this. So it also has the box and everything right there. The lady that was running that yard sale said it was her first time ever doing a yard sale and she had no idea how to price things. Next up, Callaway Golf Big Bertha 3-wood golf cover. Picked this up for $1, so not a bad deal for that. I think I could probably get a couple bucks for that. It won't be a huge seller, but it'll definitely move. We also picked up 2 pins from the house, 25 cents. This one's VIP, it's Visitor in Pennsylvania. And we also picked up this I Love Pittsburgh pin. So 2 vintage pins there, that'll be good. The next cool item, again, it was a golf community, so I did find a lot of golf items this time. This one was super odd, that I've never seen these before. This is the official logo ball of the 1983 US Open in Oakmont. They're the orange golf balls. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. I'm getting it out. They're vintage pro staffs, but then it also has the 83rd US Open logo on it. Now here's the thing. I don't see any on eBay. And do I sell each one individually? Because there are 3 of them in here. So I may list these all individually. Oops, oh, dropped it. So we'll see about that. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on it to see if I can find any information on these, because we paid 3 bucks for these and I thought it was a really good deal. We have really good luck selling this next item. Junie B. Jones, a set of 4 books here. We paid 2 bucks. These kids were selling them, so picked them up. I do really well with these. Next up was 2 hats. One was an old Stonewall hat for 2 bucks, but it's an Adidas hat, brand new with the tags on it. This is a golf course here in outside of, it's like Western PA. It's very expensive to play there, but this hat was $18 price tag on it. I'm gonna guess I could probably get 9 bucks or so for that. And then also this next belt hat was 2 bucks with the folds of honor. It has the back of the clasp just like the belts, which I'll show you. I actually got a belt here soon, so you'll see that in a second. But brand new hat, pretty nice hat actually, and actually maybe just keep it for myself, but we'll see. Again, going with some golf theme here. This was a golf head cover. It fits all the oversized drivers, but it's a bee on a flower. Brand new with the tags on it. I feel like she gave me this for, oh, $2. She gave it to me for $2. So it's winning edge designs. So we'll see how that does. Found this shirt. It probably won't bring much, but I thought it was a really cool shirt. It's a golf polo, but it's Tabasco sauce, onions, mushrooms, and a crab. So super obnoxious shirt, but I definitely think it's gonna sell. And I only paid $1 for it. I didn't realize how golf themed this was until now. Pair of shorts, Nike shorts. They are a size 32 medium. I do really well with Nike golf shorts. And there's a pair of white ones. I think they're, oh, these are Pings 32s. So those will do fairly well. I think I paid $4 each for those. Next up, I picked up the Modern Golf Swing, the Lead Better Interactive set, 5 DVD set, $2. I didn't look up the comps on that because the lady was standing there watching me and I felt really weird about it, so I didn't do it. So I'm gonna check it right now while I'm filming this. Should only take a second. Yep, not even gonna fast forward because it's already done. So this looks like the whole set, $14.95, free shipping, so it won't be much, but it'll definitely sell. Then we got some brand new DVDs here. We got Sean Clement's Wisdom in Golf, 5-disc set, never opened, for $2. We got How to Build a Repeating Golf Swing for $1. Jim McLean's Scoring Clubs for $1. Those ones have been opened. But then we got these, 2 have been opened, 2 have been closed. They're Roger Frederick's Reveal Secrets DVDs. I think they were $1. Yeah, they were $1 each, so we picked up 4 of those. The lady did cut me a deal at the end, so it was really worth it. Okay, the next thing we found was this Wimbledon Tennis Club key holder. Still has the price tag on it, but it looks like part of it was ripped. I think it's from the 70s, 50 cents. I looked it up this morning. It sells for about $12 shipped, or $12 plus shipping. Again, golf related. This is TPC Sawgrass towel. $2. TPC Sawgrass is a very popular course. So this is the Sir Christopher Houghton something, but $2 on that. The next 2 cool things was Olympia Fields US Open 2003 USGA member bags. They're both brand new, I think. This one still is just in the plastic. So we'll list this one new open package, this one new in the package. Pick these up for $1 each. Next cool thing, you know we love it, Tupperware. These are the Tupperware measuring bowls. 2 different sizes here, both with the lids. My wife looked these up, said we'll do pretty well on these. I don't know what it was yet. Then we picked up this. I'm not even sure. Just a little bit of cleaning, but it's Woods 100 Old Navy rum. Just put it on a table here, and then you can dispense your liquor through there. You put your bottle up. But I thought that was super cool for $1. Maybe it won't sell for anything. Maybe it'll just get redonated to Goodwill or something, but who knows. I still think it might do pretty well though. A lot of times bar stuff does well. I'm running out of room down here on the floor. My floor is packed right now with stuff. The next thing, pick this up for $1. It's an avocado, gigantic avocado. My kids want this, but I think it's actually gonna sell pretty good. So we have a ton of plush in the house, so they really don't need it. So for everybody that's gonna say your kids need that plush, they don't need that plush. We have tons of plush in this house. Next up, this next item is up. This is personal use only. Golf. I play in the low 80s. If it's any hotter than that, I won't play. I'm gonna hang this up by the golf balls that I collect from all the courses I play, so it'll look kind of cool in the house. Next up is the next belt. These things sell for a ton. I didn't know anything about them until I looked it up, but it is brand new. It's a ratchet system belt. It looks like from what the guy told me was, he's like, oh, the company that I own was gonna buy this company and they deal a lot with camo, so he said, we got some camo belts made. Well, they didn't end up buying the company, but he had some camo belts made. This was the last one he had. I was hoping he would have had more because they do sell for about $60 a belt. People love these things. I was able to pick this up for $20. probably a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but I definitely think it's gonna sell. But I wanted to get it back in the container. We'll have to work on getting that thing back in there. Next up, needs a little bit of cleaning, but it's Ohio State Stadium Horseshoe ashtray. This thing does really well. It's over 20 bucks for this. Picked it up for $1. So I've only seen one listed, one sold. The next two things, I am not sure what they are, but they are also Ohio State. If somebody knows what these are, please let me know. And I'm gonna do a Google Lens here shortly to maybe find out what it is, but we have two of them. $1 each. Somebody was saying at the yard sale that it was a paperweight, but I don't think it is. Actually, I'm gonna search for it right now while we're sitting here. And nothing's coming up. So if anybody can help us out and tell us what this is, let me know. We got $1 into it. I mean, they're old, but we don't know what they are. The next thing, the Chronicles of Narnia book set. Picked this up for $2. I think it's gonna do pretty well. I'm not gonna talk about books all the time. The next cool thing, we picked these all up for 50 cents. There are a total of 6, 10, 18 cups, old school Pittsburgh Steeler cups. So if anybody's having a party, a Steeler party, Steeler tailgate, these will be great for that. I dropped that again. Two more items, and then this one's done, because there was a lot of stuff. Hot Wheels Pro Racing Tide Car, but it's a motorized XV racer, brand new in the package still. Paid $2 for it. These things sell for about 20 bucks, if not more, especially new in the package. These are from 1996. And last but not least, what's going to make us the most money here is probably our best buy of the day. Yeah, we paid $3 for this. It's a Craftsman wireless garage door monitor, brand new in package. These things sell for about $100. So super good. I was really shocked when I saw it. I'm like, well, Craftsman's a good item. And I scanned it while I was standing there, and it was a good item. So we were expecting to get about, I'm gonna say 90 to 100 on this one. That is all we have for you guys today. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you're notified the next time we post a video. We just want to thank all the subscribers out there for watching our videos, commenting, liking, sharing, everything. Because honestly, we wouldn't be doing these videos if it wasn't for you guys. You guys are the ones that watch them. And this is just the way we're documenting our journeys through the whole reselling business that we've come to grow upon more and more recently. So remember, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, be kind, and tune in next time. And keep picking. Bye.